What's happening, Splash fam? Welcome back. Spring has officially sprung, the flowers are blooming, and we have some amazing things marinating in the kitchen this month for you. We're proud to promote Team Manager, where team members working in specialized roles will assist with different parts of the event experience. We have an all-new branded hybrid events theme for you to add to your library. There's now one home for things support and education, and as Splash evolves, so does our product tour video. I hope you've been building up an appetite. Let's show you what we've been cooking up.
Hi, I'm Audrey, Manager of Customer Success here at Splash. Managing a team is a lot of work, so we made it easier. Team Manager is one central location to manage your users, groups, and roles, along with the ability to share Splash events across your team to collaborate. There are 7 roles in Splash: admin, group manager, designer, integration specialist, event organizer, on-site specialist, and viewer or read-only. Each user on your team is assigned one role that indicates the appropriate level of access and permissions for them to do their job effectively. Bottom line, this is a game changer.
Hello there, this is Alex from Splash Creative, and this month I'm here to introduce you to our latest branded theme release. It's called Hybrid. Now, marketing any hybrid event, which is going to be a little more complex than normal, is going to be heavily reliant upon the form and upon emails. So on this theme, on the form, we've set you up with conditional logic so that your guests can select the attendance path that is right for them, as well as hidden inputs so that you can craft messaging regardless of which path they choose. And then over on the email templates, on confirmation and reminder emails, we've set you up with modify RSVP buttons so that your attendees can change their registration depending on their status change or just upon their choices from virtual to in-person or vice versa. And then on the landing page itself, there are going to be designated content blocks for in-person content, virtual content, as well as some content that's just going to be there for everyone. So as the world starts to really slowly open back up, people are going to be very excited about attending in-person events again, but it's going to be a little complex at first, and hopefully this branded theme will help you as an event organizer ease your way back into it.
Hey everyone, I'm Haley, a team lead on support here at Splash. I'm super excited to debut our new support page. Think of this as the go-to place for all things help and education here at Splash. In a single organized page, splashthat.com/support has our live training schedule, help center, online courses, and more. Need to submit a case to our team? Check out this page. Interested in joining our Slack community? Go to this page. If you want to learn more about our support plans, you probably guessed it, check out this page. So basically, you're going to want to bookmark this one.
Hey everyone, I'm Danny, instructional designer here at Splash, and today I'm here to tell you about a huge update to arguably one of the most important pieces of video content that we have, our product tour.
Hey there, I'm excited to show you Splash.
If you want to go on an end-to-end scenario-based journey with Splash, then you found the right video. You'll be introduced to every nook and cranny of the platform, including all of the new and powerful and flexible updates that Splash has seen over the last year. Where is it, you ask? Living on our YouTube and our brand new, beautiful product page, which is an experience in itself. Land this video in someone's inbox on your team that wants to learn more about what Splash does, and they'll be thanking you.
Yo, I told y'all we could cook. All right, everybody, enjoy the sunshine. We'll catch you in May.